knowing the place of a digit is important because that tells us the value of the digit. Looking at the number 1958, you can see that it is composed of 4 digits. And these digits are arranged in specific places, which then indicate to us the value of each of its digits. Now, each place has its own place value. And that's the reason why we can't just switch digits around within a number. And the reason is each digit is higher in value than the digit to its left side. So here we have the number 1958. Its digits are 1, 9, 5, and 8. And we can also see those digits here in this table, in this column named digit. So we have digits 1, 9, 5, and 8. And each of these digits have a place. So the digit 8 is in the ones place. The digit 5 is in the tens place. The digit 9 is in the hundreds place. And the digit 1 is in the thousands place. Each of these places have their own place value. So place value of the units place or ones place is 1. So this is the place value of the ones place. It's 1. For the tens place, the digit 5 is in the tens place, and the place value is 10. For the digit 9, which is in the hundreds place, its place value is 100. And for the digit 1, which is in the thousands place, the place value is 1000. To know the value of a particular digit in a number, we then combine what we know about the digit, the place, and the place value to get the value of that digit. So to know the value of the digit 9, for example, in the number 1958, we have to know that the digit 9 is in the hundreds place, which has a place value of 100. So place value of the digit 9 is 100. And since we know that there are 9 instances of the hundreds place, then we know that the value of this digit is 900, which is this one, 900. Let's look at the other digits as well. So to know the value of the digit 8, we have to know what is the place and place value of that digit, wherein we know that the digit 8 is in the ones place, which has a place value of 1. And since the place value of 1 has 8 instances, then we know that the value of the digit 8 is 8. For the digit 5, we know that the place of the digit 5 is tens, and the place value for tens is 10. And since we have 5 instances of the tens place, then we know that the value is 50. And for the digit 1, which we know is in the thousands place, which has a place value of 1000, so since there is just one instance of 1000 or 1 1000, then we know that the value of this digit is 1000.